Okay, well this is Mike's radio all restored. Well, it's my radio that I've restored for Mike actually. But it's pretty mint. There's really very little that you could fault with it. Solid grille, aluminium handle. Sides are just polished with furniture polish. Rear grille, all as expected. Underneath, all the feet and the serial number. Inside, if I can get it open with one hand, everything's been done. Totally recapped throughout. The amplifier board, well, that's been an absolute nightmare. It's 100% rebuilt. I did say that the original outputs are in there, but they're not. I changed those as well. So that amp board has got 100% new parts in it. There's not a single used part in it anywhere. All brand new. Obviously the printed circuit board is the original, but that's about it. So we can get it back together now, one hand. There we go. Right, let's give it a try. So we'll start on VHFs. It's an original Hacker area with the swivel joint, which is dead straight. Proper aerial, correct one. Let's pop them on. Right, so tune him up. We'll start from 88, which should be radio 2. I've done an alignment. I've aligned the pointer as well because that was a little bit out on one end. So here we go. So we're expecting radio 2 at about 88. If you can see the dial pointer there.
Gym instructor at 67.
There it is.
And there's an idea there that you can repel.
Got an incredible richness in the texture. The viola is really, really important.
Not least to the mental health of the young people and their aspirations for the rest of their lives. What are they going to have on their curriculum vitae? So,
many students. This is my experience. You know, my where I live.
Be able to go in. Talking of NHS staff, we'd love to hear your.
So the other station that's a good key to dial alignment is Classic FM, which is on 100 here. Works. Right, let's try it on medium wave. Medium wave and long wave isn't very good here. It's why I come downstairs. I can't get it in my office upstairs at all.
It's a complete meltdown at home.
Put there's something interfering in here. I might have to go outside for this.
On the A35 near Wilmington, slow traffic in both directions due to road work.
It might be
on
the
A35, expect
the
delays
phone
at
interfering with it.
Hill there. At Kenton, that's at Kilmington. At Kenton on the A39, particularly blocked at Warburton.
Let's just pause it a minute. I'll pop outside. Okay, we're outside now.
Radio 7.
Janet Kipling.
It's better.
Simon on Facebook. saying would be good if all the schools in...
By the time I get back on the road.
You got a new string to your bow. Well, no, I remember I think we having talked about it. I read somewhere that you played as a kid, but sort of stopped. So you played as a very young child, didn't you?
Yeah, I was 8 or 9, and I started to play the piano for a couple of years. Mentioned being
losing that to help everybody piece this together. We've got that if you had eased that date, then you'd ease it. But you can understand why the IOC haven't yet made the call to postpone or cancel.
Nobody is saying we will be going to the games.
Interfering with it.
And it may be that
101034.
Whoa, that's picking up a lot. Right, let's try long wave. Again, there's only really... Might get a couple out here. Let's try.
This spring and early summer, so barring some means of doing so over the course of the summer, which I think will be extremely difficult to put in place.
That's Radio
you've got
4.
to assume that universities are
the phone is interfering with it.
Their offers based on the information that they have already.
Joe Johnson, former Universities Minister. That London's going to be...
En définitive. Donc, c'est le choix qu'il aurait laissé maintenant. Est-ce qu'il se rappelle effectivement qu'il y avait quand même beaucoup de points
happen towards or the customer at the end of the day? Adrienne Mooney there talking to you, Fran, and what has the reaction been to these kinds of initiatives? Because it seems like a brilliant example, these perspex screens, but should they have been there sooner?
they should, and some customers are saying that.
Well, there you are. Hunter RP38A. Fully restored. There you go. Bye for now.